Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about a little Chanel / luxury organizing hack that I've started that I just wanted to share with you guys. This is an idea that I kind of had brewing in me for a long time and sort of never got around to it. So if you are a luxury lover like I am, you know that not only does that come with like having lots of bags to figure out where to put them, but there's also lots of stuff that comes with these bags. With a classic flap, for example, okay, you have the bag, you have the dust bag, you have the booklet, you have the card, you have the box, you have the tissue paper, you have the ribbon, you have the flowers, and it can just kind of get to be a lot of maintenance. And if you're thinking of these bags in terms of investments, and I know that's like a loaded term that lots of people don't like, and for good reason, but when I say the bag is an investment, I'm talking about an investment in my wardrobe, an investment in feeling like put together, an investment, you know, like it's an investment in the way I feel, it's an investment in my wardrobe, more so than like buying a home is an investment that will really secure your future. Like those are two totally different things. It's like, this is an investment, a wardrobe investment, not like a financial investment. So let's just separate those two ideas in your head. But along with that kind of goes with some math that we do. I know this is like a popular term on TikTok, girl math. I really don't like that term. Jacob was on here the other day talking about how it was price per wear math. But really, when we're talking about like, you know, the investment math, I kind of think of it as the resale value divided by the price per wear, divided by like the daily joy that I kind of get out of the item. But if you're going to consider them investment items, you have to store and maintain and keep track of all of the accoutrement, and you have to know how much you spent on it, and you have to have the receipts and all of that stuff, which brings me to my project. So I have two books here. One of these books is for bags, accessories, jewelry, ready to wear, or not ready to wear. And then the other book is ready to wear. And so starting with the accessories, because it's a little easier. Whoops. There's one that I was tucking some things in that I need to include, or it slipped out. Let's see. No, this just needs to go in. Oh, I see. It's the London receipt. All right, we will figure that out. Anyway, here's my family photo album. This is just a normal photo album I got off Amazon. Let me turn to a blank page. It's just this sticky clear film here where you peel up the film, and then it's like an acid-free adhesive. So this part's a little sticky and you just smooth it over the top. So with the ready to wear, it does get a little bulky, but with the tags from the purses and stuff, it works really well. So here we have my, oh, and I wonder if there's any personal information here. Well, here we have the classic flap that I purchased at Rue Cambon, the VAT return thing, receipts for bags, like, and all of the receipts and the tags for everything. So it's sorted by handbags, strange items. Here are some nice strange items. For some of these smaller items, I didn't include receipts, but I kept receipts for large ticket items like handbags. And then there's like the jewelry, and this is all in chronological order, so I can keep track of all of these items. Then I got little sticky notes and put them all the boxes and kind of have it sorted in color order. But so then that way I just know where to find all these different things. For the ready to wear, oh, and here's another receipt. See, I have a small backlog. I have to do some scrapbooking work later. I have, for example, a tag that I took out of a sweater, the extra button, the price tag. Do not ask me to go through and add up all these price tags. But this is great too, because these items come with these great backup buttons, but like, where are you storing it all? How are you keeping track of it? You know, where is it all going? So this helps contribute to, one, the girl math of tracking the resale value, and then two, just keeping you organized for where you're like, where the heck did I put that extra button? It's right here in the book, all in chronological order. For a long time, these were stashed all over my house, and I would find one and it would stress me out. So then I started bringing them all into one place. And then the other day, I just put them all into this notebook. So I have a backlog of some tags and receipts here. Like, I don't always do it all at once. Oh my gosh, how are we gonna do this? So here's the tag for the perfume bottle necklace that I got the other day. So I flipped to the accessories zone. This is purses. Oh, I left a good gap in between purses and accessories. I guess I should say optimistically. This is 23S. So I'll put it here with the other 23S tags. Perfect. And I have a whole page here for Rev, which is seasonless. It's a little tricky if you're buying vintage to kind of keep it all in order, because then you have to know, going back in time, what you're doing. And this isn't just for Chanel. I have some Hermes scarf tags here in the back. So far my Hermes collection remains manageable. So I just have the receipt for both the Kellys in their respective boxes. But as I get, you know, grow my collection with other bags, then they will have to kind of develop their own space. Okay, so this hat I'm going to put with etc. items like the scrunchie, the umbrella, and the socks. That's, you know, the rare, unusual items. So I just peeled up the page, stuck the tag down, and then went back over it. Easy peasy. Okay, now let's look. All right, here we have, all right, the tag from the Polly Pocket, which is like not really, it's kind of in between, right? It's kind of a bag, kind of not. I'm gonna call it a bag and save the receipt for it, just because it was kind of a higher cost item. So one of these receipts will be for it. What I do to make my life easier is I don't keep the full crazy whatever. I just kind of cut it off after the final charge. We don't need the full privacy policy to make the receipt valid. We also don't need this credit card one on the back. Okay, so I have my receipt, I have my card, and then I'm gonna flip to the handbag section. Even though this is SLG, this is how I'm gonna get messed up, but you know. All right, let's see if this will fit. No, so we're gonna start a new page, peel this back, lay the receipt, and I'm kind of using the card to flatten it, and then place the tag. And then that page is complete. So I just thought this would be a fun organizing hack to share with everyone. I have a few more here to get through. This will be, as I drop one, my Zen activity for the afternoon, but I hope you enjoyed hearing about this and seeing my little family scrapbook. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share any luxury organizing hacks you have in the comments down below, and then otherwise I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.